Hi there. If you're looking to become a millionaire overnight, you're not alone. It's a common dream to hit it big and never have to worry about money again. While there's no guaranteed way to achieve overnight success, there are some secrets that can help you get closer to your goal. So, without further ado, here are 10 secrets to becoming a millionaire overnight. Number 1. Take calculated risks. This means investing in something that has the potential to bring you a high return. However, it's important to do your research and make sure you're not risking more than you can afford to lose. When it comes to taking calculated risks, there are a few things to keep in mind to ensure that you're making the most informed decisions possible. Here are some additional tips to help you make the most of your investments. Diversify your portfolio. Investing in a variety of assets can help minimize risk and increase your chances of success. Consider spreading your investments across different industries, geographies, and asset classes. Keep an eye on market trends. Staying up to date with the latest market trends and news can help you make more informed investment decisions. Be sure to follow industry publications and reputable news sources to stay informed. Consult with a financial advisor. If you're unsure about where to invest your money, it may be helpful to consult with a financial advisor. They can help you understand your options and create a personalized investment strategy that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. Remember, taking calculated risks can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's important to do so responsibly and with a solid understanding of the potential risks and rewards. Number 2. Learn from the best. Study the habits and strategies of successful millionaires and apply them to your own life. Read books, attend seminars, and follow successful people on social media. In addition to studying the habits and strategies of successful millionaires, it's important to also analyze their mindset and attitude towards life. Many successful people share a common trait of having a growth mindset, which means they believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. This mindset can be adopted by anyone and is essential in achieving success. Here are some tips to help you adopt a growth mindset and apply it to your own life. Embrace challenges and see them as opportunities to learn and grow. Believe in your ability to improve and develop your skills. Learn from feedback and use it to improve yourself. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who encourage your growth. Stay motivated and persistent, even when faced with obstacles. By adopting a growth mindset and applying the strategies and habits of successful millionaires, you can achieve your own version of success. Remember to stay focused, dedicated, and always keep learning and growing. Number 3. Build multiple streams of income. The more sources of income you have, the better your chances of becoming a millionaire. Explore different opportunities such as real estate investing, starting a business, or investing in stocks. Having multiple streams of income is a great way to grow your wealth. Here are some additional ways you can diversify your income. Create a passive income stream by investing in rental properties or buying dividend-paying stocks. Consider starting a side hustle or freelance work to bring in additional income. Invest in a small business or franchise that has the potential for growth and profitability. Develop a digital product or service that can be sold online, such as an ebook or online course. Remember, building multiple streams of income takes time, effort, and dedication. But the rewards can be significant and can help you achieve your financial goals. Keep an open mind and explore different opportunities to find the ones that work best for you. Number 4. Focus on your strengths. Identify your talents and skills and find ways to monetize them. This could mean starting a consulting business or launching a product based on your expertise. Building a business around your strengths is a smart way to ensure success. Here are some steps to take to monetize your strengths. Determine your unique selling proposition. What sets you apart from others in your field? What skills or expertise do you have that others don't? This will help you identify your niche and target market. Research your market. Who are your potential customers? What are their needs and pain points? How can you solve their problems with your skills or talents? Develop a business plan. This will help you map out your goals, strategies, and financial projections. It will also help you secure funding if needed. Build your brand. Create a strong brand identity that reflects your expertise and resonates with your target market. This includes your business name, logo, website, social media presence, and marketing materials. Launch your product or service. Whether it's a consulting business or a product based on your expertise, make sure you have a solid launch plan that includes pricing, distribution, and promotion. Remember, monetizing your strengths takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. By focusing on what you do best, you can build a fulfilling and profitable career. Number 5. Be persistent. Overnight success is rare, so be prepared to work hard and persevere through setbacks. Stay focused and motivated even when things get tough. Persistence is a key trait that separates successful individuals from the rest. Whether you are starting a new business, learning a new skill, or pursuing a personal goal, it's important to remember that success rarely comes overnight. Here are some tips to help you stay persistent and motivated on your journey. Set realistic goals. Break down your larger goals into smaller, achievable milestones. This will help you track your progress and stay motivated along the way. Celebrate your wins. Take time to acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you build momentum and stay positive. Learn from setbacks. Setbacks and failures are inevitable, but they can also be valuable learning experiences. Take time to reflect on what went wrong and what you can do differently next time. Surround yourself with support. Having a supportive network of friends, family, and mentors can make all the difference when it comes to staying motivated and persistent. Don't be afraid to ask for help or advice when you need it. Remember, persistence and hard work are often the keys to success. Stay focused on your goals, stay motivated, and don't give up when the going gets tough. Number 6. Surround yourself with supportive people. Seek out mentors and a network of like-minded individuals who can support and encourage you on your journey. Expanding your network of supportive individuals can be a great way to stay motivated and achieve your goals. Here are a few ways to build a strong support system. Attend networking events. Look for events in your industry or community that align with your interests. These events can be a great opportunity to meet new people and expand your network. Join online communities. There are many online groups and forums focused on specific topics or industries. Joining these communities can provide a great way to connect with others who share similar goals and interests. Seek out a mentor. A mentor can provide valuable guidance and support as you work towards your goals. Look for someone who has experience in your field and is willing to share their knowledge and expertise. Remember, building a supportive network takes time and effort, but the benefits can be well worth it. By surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals, you can stay motivated and focused on achieving your goals. Number 7. Invest in yourself. Take courses, attend workshops, and continually improve your skills and knowledge. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and increase your earning potential. Investing in your personal growth and development is a crucial step towards achieving success in your professional life. By continuously improving your skills and knowledge, you can keep up with the latest trends and changes in your industry, making you more attractive to potential employers and clients. Here are some additional tips to consider as you invest in yourself. Identify your strengths and weaknesses. Take an honest assessment of your skills and abilities to determine where you need to focus your efforts. This will help you prioritize your learning and development goals. Seek out mentorship. Find someone who has experience in your field and is willing to offer guidance and advice. A mentor can help you navigate challenges, identify opportunities, and provide valuable feedback. Attend networking events. Conferences, workshops, and industry events are great opportunities to meet other professionals in your field. You can learn from their experiences and build relationships that can lead to new opportunities. Embrace online learning. There are many online courses and resources available that can help you improve your skills and knowledge. Consider taking courses on platforms like Coursera, Skillshare, or LinkedIn Learning to enhance your skill set. Investing in yourself is a long-term strategy that will pay dividends throughout your career. By continually learning and growing, you can increase your earning potential, stay ahead of the competition, and achieve your professional goals. Number 8. Focus on creating value. Instead of solely focusing on making money, concentrate on providing value to others. This will help build a loyal customer base and increase your chances of success. Providing value is essential to building a successful business, and there are many ways to do it. Here are some additional tips to help you focus on creating value. Listen to your customers. Pay attention to what your customers are saying and what they need. This will help you tailor your products or services to meet their specific needs and wants. Offer exceptional customer service. Make sure your customers feel valued and appreciated by providing excellent customer service. This can include responding promptly to inquiries, resolving issues quickly and efficiently, and going above and beyond to exceed expectations. Continuously improve. Stay up to date with industry trends and innovations, and continuously improve your products, services, and processes. This will help you stay ahead of the competition and provide even more value to your customers. Remember, building a loyal customer base takes time and effort, but it is worth it in the long run. By focusing on creating value, you can establish a strong reputation and increase your chances of success. Number 9. Take care of your finances. Manage your money wisely, live below your means, and avoid unnecessary debt. This will help you build wealth over time. Managing your finances is an essential life skill that can help you achieve your long-term financial goals. Here are some additional tips that can help you take control of your finances. Track your expenses. Keep a record of your spending to help you identify areas where you can cut back on unnecessary expenses. Create a budget. A budget can help you plan your spending and ensure that you're living within your means. Save for emergencies. Set aside some money in an emergency fund to help you cover unexpected expenses without having to rely on credit cards or loans. Invest for the future. Consider investing in stocks, mutual funds, or other investment vehicles to help you grow your wealth over time. Avoid lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it can be tempting to upgrade your lifestyle with more expensive purchases. However, this can lead to overspending and make it harder to save for your long-term goals. By taking these steps, you can develop good financial habits that will help you achieve financial freedom and security over the long term. Number 10. Stay positive. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and stay optimistic even when things don't go as planned. A positive attitude can go a long way in achieving success. Having a positive attitude is not only beneficial to your mental health but also to your professional success. In fact, studies have shown that individuals with a positive outlook are more likely to achieve their goals and overcome obstacles than those with a negative mindset. Here are some ways to cultivate and maintain a positive attitude. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to reflect on the things in your life that you are grateful for. This can help shift your focus away from negative thoughts and towards positivity. Surround yourself with positivity, spend time with people who uplift and encourage you, and seek out positive content such as books, podcasts, or social media accounts. Reframe negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, try to reframe those thoughts in a positive light. For example, instead of thinking, "I can't do this," try thinking, "I may face challenges, but I have the skills and determination to overcome them." Remember, having a positive attitude is not about ignoring challenges or pretending everything is perfect. It's about approaching those challenges with optimism, resilience, and a belief in your own abilities. So there you have it, 10 secrets to becoming a millionaire overnight. Remember, there's no guarantee that these tips will make you an overnight millionaire, but they can certainly increase your chances of success. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck on your journey to financial freedom. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more finance and budgeting tips.